Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome to LT Investor. So I'm just want to give you guys an update real quick on Virgin Galactic. Right now, so last night they issued an SEC filing stating that they are offering 113 million shares of common stock. As you can potentially probably see in pre-market yesterday after hours that the market did not react very well to this. As of right now, during the making of this video, they're down almost 10% from yesterday's close. So, and it's still dropping as we speak. So, what is going on with this? As of my understanding of this, now I am not a finance major. What I'm seeing is it is not a dilution. I want to make this clear. It is not a dilution. And for those of you that may not understand, when companies issue dilution, there is more shares in the market, which will obviously put down, drop the prices, more supply than there are demand for these. We actually see that this was dated in November 23rd. So what this is saying is it is essentially saying that it is giving the shareholders, which are let me go ahead and scroll down here to show you. Right here, these are the big guys. The Virgin Investment Limited, SCH sponsor, which I believe is Social Capital. This is where majority of Chamath's holdings are under, other than his personal direct shares. You have right here, A Bar Space. You have Chamath's personal shares and Boeing right here. So what my understanding is that what this is doing, it is opening up the lockup. So when this has been issued in the past before, where initially these investors' stocks are locked up, they are not allowed to sell them. So now this is opened up, allowing them to sell them in the market as anybody can. So just want to make sure that people are understanding. This is not, I'm sorry, not a dilution. We see right here, use of proceeds. Virgin Galactic is saying we will not receive any proceeds from the sales of shares of common stock by the selling stockholders. So we know that they are not doing this to raise funds for operations as they've done in the past when they issue about, I believe, 20 million shares to create funds for their operations. So this, in some sense, give us a little bit of um, comfort knowing that they are not issuing dilution. However, it is still at the same time, a bit, I guess, in a way, shocking and a little bit of discomforting, because why would the big guys be opening up their ability to sell? Is it because they are afraid of what the company's doing? Is it because there's something with the company is in trouble? We don't know. As of right now, Virgin Galactic has yet to issue any kind of updates. If you go on Virgin Galactic and you do hashtag Virgin Galactic, people are not happy about this. So if you're looking at right here, people are not happy. There are many people saying that PR team is a mess. They're simply looking for any kind of updates for them. How unfortunately Virgin Galactic is acting very, very quiet right now. They simply are not providing any kind of updates. I am personally himself am also a little bit frustrated with them, because this is a pretty big deal, and investors are freaking out about this. Now, I will say this, however, that I believe the investors are overreacting to this. As I said before, this is not a dilution, and it does not necessarily mean that these big guys are going to sell. These institutions are simply allowing themselves to sell, but they are not necessarily selling. I will say this: it is that Chamath did sell shortly after his lockup time has ended. Now, here's another thing. A good news is ARK Investment did go ahead and buy more. So last night, if you look at ARK Investments fund holding, they did buy more. They are right now at 1.15 million shares. As of 12/16, this was 12/17. As of 12/16, they had 1.14 million. So they bought about 12,000 shares since the 16th. So it is in some way a good a bit of a support from an institution. Now this was bought after Shamat's selling. When Shamat did go ahead and tweet, as I mentioned in my last video, if you want to take a look at it, I will provide a link below. They Shamat did go sell, but seems like he did comfort people by saying that he was selling to manage his liquidity. So we will see tonight what ARK does. If ARK is selling, then that can be a big telling news. I will provide more update on my next video as what happened with ARK. As of right now, I will say just hold tight. Wait for Virgin Galactic to provide updates. I am still not selling. Actually, what I did was I actually bought more shares because I saw the market freaking out when I felt like it wasn't anything major. Nothing has fundamentally changed for Virgin Galactic as of right now. Although frustrating, we have not received any kind of updates. It is nothing major has yet really changed for Virgin Galactic. From reading from Reddit, it was something that the engineers were able to properly identify. And if it is easy to identify, it is typically easy to resolve. Now, of course, easy is relative. I'm not an engineer myself either. So it is relatively easy, but that easy does not necessarily mean that they're going to resolve this within the next few days. I saw a poll on Reddit, and I totally agree that we probably will not be seeing any kind of updates, or at least not a flight window until 2021, and potentially early to mid-January. It is, after all, December 18th, and Christmas is next Friday, and the Friday after that is New Year's. So most likely, the employees and executive team will probably are off spending time with their family. So we will probably be looking into an update not until beginning of next year. So that's all I have for you guys right now. Like I said, I will go provide more updates as I receive more. I hope you guys have a great holiday. If you see any updates before then, and if you liked this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and please subscribe. Thank you so much.